Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the official first look of the processor that is going to be running inside the S22 Ultra. It's going to be a processor which is coming with a bunch of improvements, and Samsung Exynos 2200 is going to be a direct competitor to that. But first we are going to talk about what this new processor will be bringing out. Well, today Qualcomm has announced their next generation of smartphone processor, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And you guys, there are a bunch of improvements in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, but the things which I like the most is the upgraded ISP system, which is probably mean that the camera performance of the upcoming S22 Ultra or any Android devices will be even better as compared to the last generation, because right now we have some dedicated features that has been implemented inside. Talking about dedicated features, there are two main engines that has been implemented inside the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, and one is the bokeh engine that can be used for portrait effects to a 4K video. Also, we have an ultra-wide engine that can de-wrap and remove chromatic aberration from the shots, which will definitely help out all those fans who are using the ultra wide angle lens. And here for the first time we are going to see that an ISP has been improved for the 108 megapixel camera sensor, and that is going to be a great thing to have, because right now it will provide us a great capability not only in the video as well as in the photo qualities as well. So that is why I think Samsung is sticking towards the 108 megapixel sensor, because this new ISP will even going to enhance the capability of this new 108 megapixel sensor that Samsung is bringing into their S22 Ultra devices. This new ISP will allow you to things like shooting 240 photos of 12 megapixel images in a single second or simultaneously, shooting in 8K with HDR while snapping 64 megapixel stills. One of the things that Qualcomm is offering more high-end camera features out of the box, including support for 8K videos with HDR10 plus and shooting in 18-bit RAW, assuming your phone has the camera hardware to actually pull out, which means that Snapdragon S22 Ultra is coming with these features, which will definitely give a tough competition to iPhones or any Android devices. And you guys, these are some of the camera gains that we are going to see in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. As far as the CPU performance, it's going to be 20% faster as compared to the Snapdragon 888 and 30% faster as compared to GPU performance. One of the important thing that is also coming in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 is the X65 modem for 5G connectivity, which is definitely going to improve 30% as compared to the last generations of modem. So hopefully this is going to bring some faster improvement in terms of data. This new processor is also going to be based on 4nm ARM v9 architecture, and Cortex X2 core is going to be implemented inside, which definitely enhanced both the CPU and the GPU performance of the device. Looking at the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, I do hope that Samsung could bring the AMD GPU and the performance will enhance as compared to the last generation. And you guys, there are some other leaks as well for the S22 Ultra. We are for the first time going to see the official look of the wallpapers that are coming inside the S22 series. They are not going to be different, rather than that they are going to be the same as we have seen in the S21 series. And you guys, I'm super excited about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on that? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.